for shorts on oil and S&P. So here it is, our trade on oil 21 range, which in fact remains by far my favorite time frame on oil because it doesn't do any wiggle jiggle like oil can do on drastically smaller time frames because oil is low liquidity instrument. So therefore it is absolutely essential once you master oil not to trade very small time frames because a time frame more solid than trading is. My trade from about 99.36 to 90.40 came to reversal zone. So let's recap what we've been witnessing today. Selling is vicious on S&P, yes? What are you witnessing? Why didn't I buy S&P? I spelled out brick wall until I get spectacular powerful pullback. I ain't buying into this level. It's gambling, it's not trading. This is where my long after FOMC had ended. Price is magic if you play by the rules. No speculative trading in alpha wave trader room. So, what is marvelous about oil? Here it is. I spelled out monitor for longs when reversal zone will be reached. Once again, those who know what price is telling you, those who play by the rules, had opportunity to acquire position pre-market. What happened next was ultimate test of patience and discipline. We've been here for about what? Hour and a half before we acquired the position. And here is my trade, reached reversal zone on 21 range. Just like my 1 hour chart reached reversal zone on hourly. I spelled out accept selling pressure. Sellers could be absolutely vicious now. I explained protect your profits. Very, very critical and the most beautiful puzzle you will ever see. Price is all that matters for entry and Fibonacci for exits. What are you witnessing? Isn't this marvelous? Sellers are here as we knew that would, just like sellers are here on S&P. So, this morning I couldn't acquire a short position on S&P. It was torture, as Tim was telling me in Alpha Wave Traders Club. Oh no, bummer, massive bummer. Why is that? Because the short entry was right into the news. 3 minutes into the major news, that short entry collapsed many points. We couldn't do it. It's not about quick fix. It's about solid and successful trading. Just like I spelled out, expect selling pressure at any moment, and selling could be vicious. Just like I said, it don't matter how spectacular the long is. I ain't buying into this level. So, expect to be out on oil at any moment. Buy short on both S&P and oil. Let's update the results for the month of April, shall we? To the tick, oil reached reversal zone and I am out. Patience and discipline paid off once again, reminding you how essential it is to play by the rules, how essential it is to respect Fibonacci levels. I spelled out chances of my trade blasting through this level is very, very slim. Sellers are here with vengeance. Don't be surprised the price will collapse all the way to 99.20. I'm monitoring for short on oil, and that's the magic of the price. No speculation, precise rule-based trading for entry and profit taking. And S&P once again sitting very, very pretty, reminding you, know where this Fibonacci level is. Know what not to enter into. So here's a summary on S&P and oil this month. 31 trades total in a trading room. 25 trades made it to the first target. A lot of times I use decision point 2 or even outside of decision point 2 if ratios spell out so. Out of 31 trades, 6 trades were negative. Most of these negative trades are counter-trend structure, which puts us into category of aggressive trading. As we discussed, as of June 2nd, we'll go into lockdown with our students and our graduates only, to trade only conservatively, not to babysit counter-trend and correction. When I'm stuck in a trading room during counter-trend structure, I will take counter-trend trade. Knowledgeable trader would walk away from computer. Again, out of 31 trades, 25 trades are positive, including counter-trend aggressive structure. Oil, this is also reminds you the importance of scaling out and the importance of respecting targets. Essential and critical. Volatility on S&P the previous few months was drastically higher. This month's S&P made it to our third target on 17 trades. Again, multiple time trade target 2 is reversal zone due to ratios. Oil. Thank God oil picked up this steam. Few more trades on oil. Multiple times this month we would come to the structure and oil would stage spectacular formation half an hour to an hour prior to trading room open, which once again reminder was the case this morning. Reminder, if you know and you don't need head holding, you know where to buy and you know where to sell. This is correction, it is not a reversal. Oil is telling me so. This is the power of the levels. So, we completed 28 trades during trading room hours, 21 trades positive. Multiple times, decision point 2 was the first target. Those are the results for the month of April. Again, in the course you learn inception of the trend and continuation of the trend. You walk away from corrections and you do not trade a reversal structure. Here in a trading room, I trade counter-trend structure if this is all that market is doing, which is currently the case on oil.